right center. 1-2, a swing and a soft line drive, shallow right. It's going to fall, a base hit. So maybe taking a little something out of his swing there. This may end up being his final inning of the day as Barajas swings, belts a fly ball deep right center. Cove, though, angling back, gets to the edge of the warning track, comes in now, and makes the catch. He may not have even gotten to the warning track, as that ball really didn't have a whole lot of carry to it. So Barajas is out number one. Not getting much carry on fly balls out to right. It is fairly breezy stance. The first pitch to him is a called strike. Starts him off with the change. He's getting swing throughs with the slider as well. Fastball here is fouled to the left, strike two. But developing. Here's the 0-2. And it's up and away. He's in. 1-2 pitch. And the changeup low and away. 2-2 on their way to the title. 2-2, and it's swung on and missed. Strike three. A back foot slider, and he swung. Here's the 3-1. Level swings. It's a high fly ball out to right. Coe starts back. The wind pushing it in. Coe still coming in, and now reaching to his side. He'll make the catch. I mean, I don't know what it's going to take to knock. Only one hit in this game. Second inning of work for Cooper McGrath, and he's going to get an automatic strike out of this. Coe wasn't ready and engaged in the box for the 8-second mark, so that's strike one. Now the 0-1 from McGrath, and it's strike two called. To start his day, 0-2 now is swung on and missed, strike three. The find the zone consistently. The 1-0, Barquette swings, hits a fly ball to right. Coe started back, now coming in. Bravo back to tag up. Coe will make the catch, and only bluffing Bravo. And probably a good thing. Coe coming up throwing. A pretty good throw right to home plate. Upright stance from the left side, and he fouls one straight back to the screen. His best start of the early season, one of the best by any Giants pitcher. Here's a called strike two, a quick 0-2. Martinez allowed only one hit in his 5 shutout innings with a walk and 7 strikeouts. In line to get the win here today for the Giants. As the 0-2 fouled to the left. His 2 innings out of the bullpen. 0-2, and that's low and in for a ball. 1-2 now the count. Let's look to take the opener of this homestand. 1-2 pitch, and it's low. Perez thought he might have had one there. His 3rd pro season. Next pitch is fouled straight back. Elevated the fastball process. Last year getting back healthy, making it a full season as the 2-2 is high. Bullpen this year. He's ready. And the 3-2 is foul back. The payoff pitch is a swing and a miss. Struck him out, a high fastball. So there's the 12th strikeout for Giants pitching here this afternoon. And a scoreless inning for J. And the 3-1. Barquette with a line drive out into right. That'll fall, a base hit. Isaiah Barquette goes the other way, a line drive RBI single. Bravo trots home.